Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share something very personal, and this is my trading journey. Actually, I do share anything about our American dream or American journey. So I am a nurse here in the USA. Dumating kami dito 2 years ago. Sinama ko ang pamilya ko, nurse din yung asawa ko. Um, yeah, so ang salary ng nurse dito sa US is enough to make a living. Pero of course, the ultimate goal is to help others and to help the family. If you're still helping others or your family, you need an extra. Kahit na malaki ang sahod dito, still not enough if you have some more responsibilities. Kasi bills after bills, medyo malaki rin ang gastusin dito sa US. So that's why I think I found a right thing for me to make an extra, and this is trading. So I started trading back in 2018 with the forex, and like many of you, I didn't have enough capital to make it big. Pero sumubok pa rin ako. Uh, lost I lost a lot actually, and then it was tough. So I quit trading many times. But fast forward to when we moved here in the US, nung dumating kami dito, I found myself drawn back into trading again, specifically the forex. So I enrolled in courses for a couple of months, pero na-realize ko na pwede ko ring matutunan through self-study, gaya ng panonood ng YouTube. So I stopped that because I spending some dollars on it. And uh, and that's when I discovered something they called prop firm that changed everything for me. So kung gusto niyo malaman ano yung prop firm, i-search nyo lang sa Google. So ito yung tinatawag nilang proprietary firm. So yan, makikita nyo dyan, the most reliable and regulated prop firm all over the world. So nag-join ako sa Top Step. I think FTMO is the most famous in the Southeast Asia. Kung nasa Pilipinas kayo, pwede kayong mag-join dito. Uh, yan sila. So i-review nyo lang yan, mga company na yan. What is their rules and regulation, and how much they're asking for you to enroll their challenge. So for those of you who don't know prop firms, so this is a company, or yeah, firms give you access to large amount of capital once you pass their challenge. So uh, join lang kayo, basahin nyo, bibigyan nila kayo ng capital para makapag-trade ng malaki, and para kumita ng malaki, kukuha lang sila ng small portion or small percentage sa kita nyo. So meron kayong split sharing of profit. Sa prop firm na sinalihan ko, it's like 90% goes to me, and then 10% is sa kanila. So ito yung Top Step. I'm not promoting this company because I'm not getting anything from them. Just want to share kasi para sa akin ito yung pinakamagandang prop, prop firm dito sa Amerika. But actually they're not they're on to futures trading. So future, but wala masyadong pinagkaiba actually ang futures and forex, just the terminologies and the way how you play it, almost the same, almost the same. Yeah, so I recently passed a 100k account. Di pa ako nag-start mag-trade. So I will start on Monday, and so everything na kikitain ko dyan is mapupunta sa akin, 10% sa kanila, and then 90% sa akin. Pero for the first 10k, lahat mapupunta sa akin. Yun yung rules nila sa payout, and also meron silang 50% lang ang pwede mong ma-access sa kikitain mo, kasi parang anong tawag niya, parang insurance, na at least meron kang, for example, nanalo ka ng 1,500 doon, pwede mong makuha. And then 500 is parang insurance para sakaling, mayroon kang may papatalo. And in order for you to have a payout, you need 5 winning days of more than 200. And then pwede mo na ma-access. Yeah, basahin nyo lang ano yung rules. So ito yung ano nila, pwede kang mag-enroll. 50k is 49, and then 100K is 99, and 150K is 149. This is their, they call it combine. So ito yung challenges nila. So one step challenge lang ito. Once na-reach nyo yung profit target, and then makaproceed na kayo sa express account, which is lahat ng kikitain nyo dun is sa inyo. Right? Right? So yan, yung iba meron silang phase 1 and phase 2. Ito sa kanila one step evaluation lang. So ito yung platform na pinili ko is yung sarili nilang platform, is Top Step X. So pwede kayong mamili ng sarili nyo. Nag-offer din sila ng MetaTrader 4, Tradovate, marami pa. But I like this better. And then yeah. So I'll show it to papakita ko sa inyo itong trade ko. Ito yung trade kung saan naipast ko yung 100K combine nila. So the target for this is 6,000. So nagawa ko to within 2 days using this strategy that I'm using. And this is this video all about, or my upcoming videos all about. I'm going to share a lot of my trading journey, and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung strategy na ginagamit ko for free, completely free. Uh, Maybe soon I will do live para sa live, so that makikita nyo how I execute this strategy. And I will share this, and maybe you can learn from these videos. So, uh, see, i, even I will ituturo ko sa inyo yung strategy na ginagamit ko soon in my upcoming videos. I will be very transparent to you guys. I'm not that good actually, but somehow I managed to win trades. Like I have like almost 70% winning percentage, and the most important is the risk management actually. But uh, winning percentage is like useless if you don't risk your money, if you don't manage your risk properly. So yan yung diyan ko na ipasa yung 100K. And yeah, I will next week I'll be trading the real, real thing, the express funded. So everything I will earn from that is mine, and that will be next week. So I need to manage my risk. Actually, naipas ko to within 2 days, the 60K target. But pag sa express na, maybe I will target like 500 per day, and then risking to 200. So ito, in 2 days, like 3,000, 3,000, 6,000. All right. So see you in my next videos. Bye.